As I said at the start, I'm Classics and Sportscars vlog channel for YouTube. Do look me up. I do a heck of a lot of videos. I've got a website of all different cars on there under carmedia.com or .co.uk, wherever you can find it. But mainly I do vlog channel from my YouTube channel, so to speak. It's G-Red plate. A few more people here now, milling around.
Oh yeah. Actually, this one here, by chance, has got the same. Just to let you know. There's another 912.
You're going back to this blue pole because of the way it is, I think. It's a P, and that's a left-hand drive, I guess. We'll hopefully be at next month at Eastbourne's car event down in East Sussex. I met on a 2-day event there on the 2nd and 3rd of May. That's on the seafront. They have their car show there. The Western Lawns. That's always a big event to attend to. So if anyone wants to watch my video, find out where that is. So that's in Eastbourne on the Western Lawns of next month, at the beginning of the month, Eastbourne's car show. A 63 GTS in black. Yes. Right on the back of that. So for the F-road on that Porsche, left-hand drive. I don't know if anyone to park now really coming in.